I flew from Subang Airport because all flights were full. Despite its small size, the airport operates very smoothly. I met my BFF, best friend forever, at the airport.
Ano ni namanya?
Video.
Videonya.
My plane seat was number 4B. But I was in the wrong seat on the plane. I was asked to move because I was in the wrong seat.
Ladies and gentlemen, ready for departure.
Firefly has in-flight food, beverages, and merchandises are typically offered for sale on commercial flights as a service to passengers. These items can range from snacks and drinks to pre-booked meals. I had a bottle of water and a bag of cookie and peanut.